Imagine a world far beyond the grasp of time, where landscapes remain untouched by human hands and ancient beauty reigns supreme. Africa, the cradle of life, holds hidden realms where nature has sculpted wonders that defy the imagination. From towering sandstone plateaus to shimmering desert lakes, from volcanic cauldrons to mist-shrouded mountains, this continent holds secrets whispered on the winds of millennia. Join us as we unveil the top 10 untouched natural wonders of Africa, places so remote and raw they echo with the mysteries of the primal earth. Here, in the heart of the Sahara, lies the Enched Plateau, a timeless fortress sculpted by the relentless forces of nature. Towering sandstone cliffs carved into fantastical arches and pillars by wind and rain stand sentinel over a landscape seemingly untouched by time. Deep within these canyons, hidden in shadowed alcoves, lie prehistoric cave paintings, a silent testament to human stories etched into the very rock. The vast, windswept landscapes of Enched are a portal to a primal Africa, a world where nature's artistry reigns supreme. This remote sanctuary offers a glimpse into a world where time has stood still, a testament to the enduring power of the natural world. The silence here is broken only by the whisper of the wind, a constant reminder of the forces that shaped this extraordinary place. Isolated and majestic, the Enched Plateau is a true natural wonder. The unique ecosystem supports a surprising array of life adapted to thrive in this harsh but beautiful environment. Exploring this ancient landscape is a journey into the heart of Africa's untamed beauty. Descend into the Danakil Depression, one of the hottest and most inhospitable places on Earth, and witness a landscape that seems more alien than terrestrial. Boiling hot springs, bubbling with sulfurous gases, paint the Earth in vivid hues. Volcanic lakes shimmer with an otherworldly luminescence, their shores encrusted with neon-colored mineral deposits. Vast salt flats stretch endlessly towards the horizon, a shimmering mirage under the scorching sun. Active volcanoes cast a fiery glow over the landscape, a constant reminder of the raw power beneath the surface. This is a frontier of extremes, a place where life clings tenaciously to the edge of existence. The Danakil Depression, a geological marvel, offers a glimpse into the Earth's fiery heart. The air shimmers with heat, a testament to the extreme conditions that prevail here. It is a land of stark beauty, a testament to the resilience of life in even the most challenging environments. Few have ventured into this desolate realm, making it one of the most untouched and mysterious places on Earth. Shimmering like a jewel in the arid landscape of northern Kenya, Lake Turkana, the Jade Sea, casts an otherworldly glow. This immense desert lake, its waters tinged with emerald and jade, is a haven for life in a seemingly barren land. Volcanic shores, dotted with petrified forests, whisper tales of a prehistoric past. Ancient archaeological sites, scattered along the lake's edge, reveal glimpses of human history stretching back millennia. Lake Turkana is a land of prehistoric silence, broken only by the whisper of the wind and the gentle lapping of waves against the shore. Crocodiles bask in the sun, while flocks of flamingos paint the sky pink. This untouched oasis, a vital source of water in a dry land, teems with life. Few places capture the essence of ancient Africa quite like Lake Turkana, a timeless testament to the enduring power of nature. Its remote location has preserved its pristine beauty, making it a true natural wonder. The vibrant ecosystem, teeming with unique species, is a testament to the resilience of life in even the harshest environments. Enter the Namib, the oldest desert on Earth, a landscape of vast, undulating dunes that stretch as far as the eye can see. Towering red dunes, some reaching over 1,000 feet, rise like sculpted monuments against the boundless sky. This land of extremes, where scorching heat and arid conditions prevail, is a testament to the resilience of life. Desert elephants, adapted to survive in this harsh environment, roam the dunes in search of scarce vegetation. Resilient plants, like the 1,000-year-old welwitschia, cling tenaciously to life, their ancient roots tapping into deep underground water sources, the Namib is a realm of surreal beauty, its stark landscapes painted in hues of ochre and orange. The interplay of light and shadow creates an ever-changing tapestry, a testament to the artistry of nature. The silence here is profound, broken only by the whisper of the wind as it sculpts the dunes. This ancient desert holds secrets whispered on the wind, stories of survival and adaptation etched into the very sound. The Namib is a truly untouched wonder, a testament to the enduring power of nature. On the coast of Gabon, where the wild meets the waves, lies Luango National Park, a truly unique ecosystem. Imagine elephants strolling along pristine beaches, their footprints disappearing with the tide. Hippos surf the ocean swell, their playful antics a testament to the abundance of life here. Gorillas hidden deep within emerald rainforests observe the world from their leafy sanctuary. Loango is a paradise where land and sea converge, creating a haven for wildlife. Tranquil lagoons, fringed with mangroves, teem with fish and bird life. The vibrant forests, alive with the calls of monkeys and the rustle of unseen creatures, offer a glimpse into the heart of Africa's biodiversity. This untouched paradise, with its pristine shores and lush vegetation, is a testament to the power of conservation. The unique combination of habitats makes Loango a truly special place, a world where nature thrives in all its forms. Few places on Earth offer such a remarkable spectacle of wildlife, making Loango a truly unforgettable experience. The park's remote location has protected it from human encroachment, preserving its pristine beauty for generations to come. Chapter 6. Ascend to the roof of Africa, the Simeon Mountains of Ethiopia, a landscape of jagged peaks, plunging valleys and breathtaking vistas. Mist shrouds the rugged cliffs, creating an ethereal atmosphere, a sense of mystery and majesty. Jagged peaks pierce the sky, their summits often lost in the clouds. Deep valleys unfold like green waves across the landscape, carved by millennia of erosion. The Simeon Mountains are home to unique and endangered species, including the Gelada baboon and the Ethiopian wolf. These creatures, adapted to the harsh conditions of the high altitudes, represent the resilience of life in this dramatic landscape. Walking through this towering primeval landscape is like stepping into a lost world. The air is thin, the views are breathtaking, and the silence is broken only by the calls of birds of prey soaring overhead. The Simeon Mountains are a true natural wonder, a testament to the power of geological forces and the enduring beauty of the natural world. This remote and rugged terrain offers a glimpse into a world untouched by modern civilization, a place where nature still reigns supreme. Witness the annual miracle of the Okavango Delta, a living masterpiece of nature's artistry. Each year, floodwaters transform this arid landscape into a lush maze of lagoons and islands, creating a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. Elephants wade through the shallows, their trunks raised like snorkels. Hippos wallow in the cool waters, their grunts echoing across the delta. Lions stalk their prey among the reeds, their golden coats blending seamlessly with the landscape. The Okavango Delta is one of Earth's richest ecosystems, a haven for an incredible diversity of species. Birds fill the air with their calls, their colorful plumage adding to the vibrancy of this watery wonderland. Fish dart through the clear waters, providing sustenance for a multitude of creatures. To wander through the delta is to experience nature at its most alive, a symphony of sights and sounds that celebrates the interconnectedness of life. The Okavango Delta is a true natural wonder, a testament to the power of water to create life in even the most arid environments. Its unique ecosystem, a delicate balance of land and water, is a treasure to be cherished and protected. Stand in awe before the Drensburg Mountains, a spine of ancient rock that stretches across South Africa and Lesotho. Known to the Zulu as Ukalamba, or Barrier of Spears, these mountains rise in dramatic formations, their peaks piercing the sky. Waterfalls cascade down sheer cliffs, their spray creating rainbows in the sunlight. Rivers carve their way through deep gorges, their waters reflecting the surrounding landscape. Hidden within the caves and rock shelters of the Drakensberger ancient sandrock paintings, a testament to the cultural heritage of this region. These paintings, dating back thousands of years, offer a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of the San people, who once roamed these mountains freely. The Drakensberg is a living monument to the natural and cultural heritage of Africa, a landscape of breathtaking beauty and deep historical significance. The air is crisp and clean, the views are panoramic, and the silence is broken only by the sound of the wind whistling through the peaks. This majestic mountain range is a true natural wonder, a testament to the enduring power of nature and the rich tapestry of human history. Journey to the Sodom Hills, revered by the local people as the Mountain of the Gods, a place of deep spiritual significance. Here, over 4,000 rock paintings adorn the red rock faces of these isolated hills, a sacred gallery of ancient art. These paintings, created over thousands of years, tell stories of the past, depicting animals, humans, and mythical creatures. The Sodom Hills are a place of reverence, a landscape imbued with a sense of mystery and wonder. The silence here is profound, broken only by the whisper of the wind and the occasional call of a bird. To stand before these ancient paintings is to connect with the spirits of the past, to feel the presence of generations who have come before. The Sodom Hills are an untouched, mystical landscape, a testament to the enduring power of human creativity and the deep connection between people and place. This remote and sacred site offers a glimpse into the spiritual heart of Africa, a place where art and nature intertwine to create a truly unique experience. Finally, we arrive at the Skeleton Coast, a haunting and desolate landscape where the desert meets the sea. Ghostly shipwrecks, bleached white by the sun and salt spray, lie scattered along the shore. Their skeletal remains a testament to the treacherous nature of this coastline. Fog often shrouds the coast, creating an eerie atmosphere, a sense of mystery and foreboding. The roaring Atlantic crashes against the shore, its waves relentlessly pounding the sand. Desert dunes spill dramatically into the ocean, their golden sands contrasting with the deep blue of the sea. This remote and inhospitable region is home to desert-adapted lions and mysterious brown hyenas, creatures that have adapted to survive in this harsh environment. The Skeleton Coast is a realm of silence and stark beauty, a testament to the raw power of nature. Known as the land God made in anger, this desolate landscape holds a certain allure, a sense of awe and wonder in the face of nature's untamed power. Few places on Earth evoke such a sense of isolation and mystery, making the Skeleton Coast a truly unique and unforgettable destination. These untouched natural wonders of Africa offer us a glimpse into a world where nature still holds sway, a world of raw beauty and untamed power. They are rare treasures, reminders of the planet's resilience and the intricate web of life that connects us all. From the towering peaks of the Drakensberg to the shimmering waters of Lake Turkana, from the desolate beauty of the Skeleton Coast to the vibrant ecosystem of the Okavango Delta, Africa's natural wonders inspire awe and wonder. If you've been inspired by these incredible landscapes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on more journeys across the wild and wonderful Earth. Let us continue to explore, to learn, and to protect these precious places for generations to come. Are you ready to uncover more of Earth's hidden wonders? Hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and join us on this incredible journey across the globe. Let's explore, protect, and celebrate the wild places that make our planet extraordinary. Dive in with us, the adventure is just beginning.